Pro Bono Week is actually a weekend to celebrate all the wonderful things lawyers do throughout the city of Chicago, the state of Illinois, and our country. This is the 5th anniversary of Pro Bono Week. The Chicago Bar Association and the Chicago Bar Foundation are presenting Pro Bono Week, but we're really excited by the fact that the American Bar Association is involved too. The event of Pro Bono Week is the culmination of what people have done the year prior, and it does give an opportunity for lawyers to discuss what they've done, what they've learned, and for whom they have done this wonderful service. There is an opportunity now that's structured with educational programs, with how to do it, where to go, and actually agencies in which they can provide their services through a structured organization as the Chicago Bar Foundation and the Bar Association. So this is actually a weekend to celebrate all the millions of hours that lawyers do attend to helping others. Pro bono work to me is not only a personal obligation, I feel, and I felt my whole life, no matter what career I was in, but professionally as an attorney. Lawyers are privileged individuals. We've had the opportunity to go to school, to learn many things for our profession. We really should give back in our services and the skills we've learned through our education to those who don't have access to justice. If we can provide a service to someone for nothing, it's something we do because we want to, then I think that we will receive back tenfold. And I know that the attorneys here in the Chicago area and the state of Illinois and all over the country can attest to that. The attorneys that I have spoken to, whether they be young or old or middle-aged, all have had exceptional experiences. It runs the gamut of being helpful to someone else, but also back to you as a humanitarian effort and also a learning experience. To someone who is thinking about doing pro bono work, I'd say, well, where have you been? Why haven't you thought about this before? I think to someone who's starting to say, well, I want to do something now, I welcome them. However, I would like to mention to everyone is that it's our responsibility to do it from the very beginning. When you raise your hand as a new attorney that you will uphold the profession, you also say that you were going to help someone else for nothing, no money, no compensation. And the compensation you get is really the kind of compensation that we give to our neighbor, our brother, but we must participate in the community. This week, Pro Bono Week, is an exciting week. And I would like all of you, and I challenge all of you, to call the Bar Association and the Bar Foundation to get involved. There's many, many people you should be talking to. And don't forget, this goes on all year long. This week is really important because we're having a great celebration, but we want you to call at any time and any place to get involved in helping another human being in our community.